What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samuel, financial market analyst. Today we shall be looking at GBP USD on the 4 hours time frame, and we shall be using two types of indicators to attempt to identify the entry and the exit points. The first indicator that we shall be using is called Bollinger Bands. Now, before we insert this indicator, let's first draw the support and resistance levels. Let's draw a support and resistance level. Nice. Now let's add the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands. Nice. Now this indicator will help us identify the trend, and also it will act as support and resistance level. As you can see, the indicator has acted as a support here, and here is the resistance zone, and also the indicator has established that this is a moving downtrend as the market was making lower lows and lower highs. The next indicator that we shall be using is called the moving average. This indicator will help us identify the entry and the exit points. We shall be using 50 period EMA and 100 period EMA. Let's add these indicators. EMA. Our first EMA is 50 period. 50. Let's make this as black. Nice. Let's add another EMA. 100 EMA. And let's make this green. This is 100. Nice. Now, to identify an entry point, wait for crossover, like here. You can see we had a crossover here. This should be our entry point. And as long as the price stays below these two EMS, we will still be in the trade. Now, exit the trade when the candle closes outside the 50 period EMA. Let me show you what I mean. Now, this will be our exit point. This is our 50 EMA. Now we exit the trade when the candle closes outside the 50 EMA. This one, this green candle, this will be our, here will be our exit point. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys next time.